Hello, Fine Landscaping. This is Joel from JND SEO. I'm going to show you a few ways today that you guys can beat your competition online. So I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste mine, so I'll try to be as quick as possible. And at the end of this, if you like what you hear and you understand that I can help you bring some value to your business online, then we can set up a phone call to talk more. If not, take the tips I give you today and you can apply them yourself. So the first thing I'm going to know, I'm on your page right now, is that your page is not secure. So I would definitely get that fixed so that you guys are protected and secure there. And so we'll start out talking about content. So I'm on your page, as I mentioned, and you guys have some content on here, which is good. I like some of the graphics. We typically recommend having about 1,500 words of content on your homepage. And the reason we want so many is because that allows you to put a lot of keywords that people will search for in that content so that you can be found online. So you guys probably have, I would say, under 100 right now. So having some more content would be helpful. And one other thing we can do here, let's see, if I just go to this picture, and if I go to save as, we'll see if it has like the picture number, that's an opportunity that you guys could save this. So good, Fine Landscaping Services, Sharon, I like that, that's good. So you've got your business name, that's a way to get another keyword, and your location, so it's a relevant search if somebody's looking in Sharon. That's awesome, good job. All right, the next thing we'll talk about is citations. So if I do a typical search, landscaping Mansfield MA, because that's where you guys are located, typically we have the ads come up first. Nobody must be paying for ads for landscaping in your area right now, but ads can be hit or miss. They're expensive to run, and also some people have ad blockers, so they may not even come up, and people don't click them either, or some people don't click them, I should say. So the next section we have is the Google Maps. The top 3 results come up, and there you guys are, number 1. Congratulations, good job. And these are all based on citations for this section. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your company name, company address, and company phone number are listed. And those all kind of point back to your site. So you guys must have a good amount of citations, and you do have a lot of reviews here with a 5-star rating, so excellent job there. And those can be listed. These citations are listed on a directory type site. So that's a Yelp, Yellow Pages, or even like a Home Advisor. So good job being ranked so high on that section, guys, with your citations. And the next thing we'll talk about is the organic section. So this is where we find the actual results of landscaping companies in your area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your website, your finelandscaping.com, and I'm going to put it into a program we use called Ahrefs. And what that does is kind of tell me what's going on with your site. So if you think of the internet as a popularity contest, the more votes you have, the more people that are probably going to be coming through to your page, right? So right now you guys have 44 referring domains. So that means you have 44 other websites that are sending links, and that's 137 links coming back to your page. So they're basically referring you, saying, hey, go to Fine Landscaping. And that's giving you guys right now, you have 121 keywords. So that's really good. And you currently have about 40 visitors coming through to your site per month. So we can actually click on your keywords here and see what people are finding you for. So this is good. Landscaping Mansfield MA. So right now there's about 60 people with that search right now. And you guys are ranked number 1. So good job. That's what you want. You want to be in the top 3 ideally. Obviously being number 1 would be the goal. And you're on the first page. So Fine Landscaping, that's good. That's your company name. You want to have that kind of locked down. And you guys are number 2. That could be a reason because of the directory. But there is 150 people searching every month for that, so that's awesome. Then you have, this is really good, Fine Landscaping Sharon MA, because it's got your company name and a location. So there's 30 people searching that keyword, and you guys are number 1. And so let's scroll down a little bit. If we go to Landscaping Mansfield, there's 10 people searching this keyword every month, and you guys are number 7. So again, the idea is to be top 3. Number 7 is still on the first page. So that's good. So if you think of somebody who doesn't know your company name and they're just a new customer, let's say, searching in an area for landscaping services, you want to be on that first page because they're probably not going to go to the second page of results, and they're probably going to look at the top 3 companies that come up and look at the reviews. So let's see, Sharon Landscaping, you guys, there's 10 people searching that, and you guys are number 9. So again, still on the first page, but ideally we want to be in the top 3. Landscaping Mass, so it's a little bit of a broader result, assuming you guys do service all of Massachusetts. And you guys are number 17, so that would put you on like the second page towards the bottom. And there is 70 people searching that, so ideally, like again, top 3. All right, so I'm going to just do a comparison. So if I go to this company that's right behind you guys, I believe. All right, and so they have 18 referring domains, giving them 47 backlinks, and they're being searched for about 51 keywords. And they're getting 41 customers, or I should say visitors, because they're not all customers. Some people are just tire kickers. So 41 people to their site per month. And if we go to the results here for their organic words, you have their company name. Here we go, Landscaping Mansfield MA. So they're number 3, 60 people there. Again, all their company name. Landscaping Mansfield, there's 10 people, they're 10. Landscaping Mansfield MA, there's 60 people searching that, they're number 3. And so on. There's a couple different variations of that search. So even though I believe they are right behind you guys, sometimes these results take a little while to show up, so they could be increasing their keywords and they could be trying to catch you. So you guys being number 1 understand the value of that, so you're going to want to stay number 1. All right, so if you guys liked what you saw today and you want to hear more, this is my phone number. We should set up a time to talk. If not, take these results for yourself, and you guys can definitely apply them. Thank you guys. Have a good one.